Looking to upgrade your Mercedes Benz with the latest smart technology? Meet the iManAuto Wireless CarPlay Module, designed for Mercedes Benz models including C-Class, S-Class, CLA, GLA, GLC, CLS, GLE, W205, X253, and more, with the NTG 5.0 system. This powerful module brings you wireless and wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you full flexibility depending on your preference. No more messy cables, just seamless connection every time. Enjoy superior sound quality, thanks to premium components and direct integration with your original car Bluetooth audio system. Whether it's music, podcasts, or calls, everything sounds crystal clear through your factory speakers. Navigation has never been easier. Use your favorite apps like Apple Maps, Google Maps, or Waze, and get live traffic updates to make your journeys smarter and smoother. The module also supports hands-free calling and lets you use Siri or Google Voice Assistant with ease. Just speak and your car responds. Parking becomes safer with dynamic parking guidelines. These active grid lines move with your steering wheel, showing you the exact path of your car. Note that this feature is available only on certain year models. You can even switch effortlessly between your factory system and CarPlay or Android Auto with just one command. Plus, it allows the addition of aftermarket cameras, giving you more flexibility for rear or front view enhancements. Best of all, the iManAuto module is fully integrated with your knob button controls and steering wheel buttons. Everything feels natural, as if it came built into your car from the start. Upgrade your driving experience today with the iManAuto Wireless CarPlay Module, where technology meets convenience, designed perfectly for your Mercedes Benz.